And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, making money trading, and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's get into the risk disclaimer screen first, because I'll be talking about actual trades, and in the United States, I have to actually say this. To my knowledge, this is required by law. So this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I am involved in a couple of challenges that is not my own capital, but right now those are demo accounts. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And here's the CFTC risk disclosure. The commodities, I forget what the rest of it is. Trading Commission, Commodities and Futures Trading Commission, I think. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So let's get into this now. First, we're going to go here. Go somewhere where I don't normally go is the DXY. This is the dollar index. It's made up of 5 currencies, I believe. The euro, the Great British Pound, the Swedish krona, the yen, and one more. And I don't remember what the 5th one is, but it's and here's Henry, the Forex trading parakeet, coming to join us. See, there he is. He's trying to tell me what the 5th one is, but we'll get into that a little bit later. But at any rate, this gives us an idea of what the American dollar is doing through algorithms and different formulas and stuff like that. And this is down. The US dollar is very much down. At the same time, you may notice I've added the Britain's 2-year bond yields, 10-year bond yields, and 30-year bond yields to this whole mix too, so I can keep an eye on those too at the drop of a hat. But it's a completely different area of what's going on in Great Britain as opposed to here. As we see, the British pound is at the top, and the US dollar is at the bottom of the currency strength indicator. So let's get into this now. First thing we're going to do is go back over here to the euro. Where are you? There you are. So the euro got a nice little push up from 116, broke 117. How about that? So we do have some bullish stuff going on here. However, I'm watching it at 117.24. That's its breakout place to me. And then after that, it gets right into all this resistance and the trend line right there. Resistance trend line right there. So we're talking about 30 pips. That is a mighty fine pin candle forming right now that just started forming. It's got 2 more hours. So before that candle comes around, so I'm not sure that I would trade that today. If I were going to trade, I would have gotten into it probably a couple of days ago when it was trading around 116 in this area right before it broke out. Now it's breaking out a little bit, but it doesn't really have a whole lot of oomph to it. RSI is at 66, and the 14 period SMA on the RSI is 55. I would not call that a banner 100% wonderful market, although it is appreciating. So that's one thing we could consider today. Dollar versus the yen is in bearish territory and is still pretty flat. I don't really see it going on a whole lot right there. Let's go ahead and do this. We're going to go back to Tuesday, 5th at, I guess that's when the big news came out, and we'll play this and see what happens. So it's at 148.42, and then nice big push downward. Now it's 100 pips down, somewhere around in there. So what have we got going on today as far as the what's going on today? Let's see. So everything's kind of cooled off, waiting for the New York Open a little bit. Dollar pound is pound versus the dollar is still taking the pretty much is where I would have put. I thought about. I was watching that yesterday afternoon, and I did not get into it. Let's get into a trade review real quick. I'm going to show you what happened on the trades I had set up yesterday with the Great British Pound versus the dollar. So we have. Oh, I can't do that all at once. So we're going to do this way. I don't think I can set up a specific time I can stop the replay, but we're going to go to this is my demo account that has in theory has about $48,000 in it. Count. Okay, so we got stopped out here. I as soon as it went profitable, it went to about 135.13. I went ahead and set up stop loss at 134.91 so I could guarantee that it wasn't, guarantee the trade. What happened was, instead of getting a 100 pip move that I came close to getting, it's 98 pip move so far, before it starts pulling back, I got stopped out at 10 pips. So it would have been a yield of 176, and my live accounts made a little bit of money, made far less money, but still made a little bit of money on that. So not a banner win due to my being overly cautious. Maybe not, because I should have reset the trade up again last night or yesterday afternoon, and I didn't do it. So I did not pull the trigger on that, therefore I missed out on a 70 pip move. Because I was looking at it again around 134.95, and I did not jump in. So let's see. After that, let's go to the one that I'm talking about right now, the Great British Pound. The question is it going to keep going, or is it going to pull back? Big headline news tomorrow is British GDP. They're expecting an actual 1% rate of growth, as opposed to the previous 1.3, so that's slowing, but it's going to spur more yield cuts. So that's what they're looking at there. They're also looking at this great big period of resistance right there. Let's back it out to daily real quick. Let's see what daily thinks. Daily says it's almost through a big period of resistance. It's already blown through the trend line. So if I were to come in, I'd be coming in around 135.97 on that, and that would be a trade that probably wouldn't come about until tomorrow morning. So we'll probably check that out when I get back tonight and see if that's going to be worth it. Because right now, I'm just not seeing that trade. Strong resistance right here at 135.9. Not sure if it's going to go or not. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Pound versus the yen. Starting to get a little action here. I have my, this is where we're going to test something else. Pound versus the yen. Think about this. Pound versus the yen is right there. Pound is way up here. Yen's down here. It's taken off. Pound versus the dollar has stalled. Maybe. 72. I think we're going to get into it. Let's go ahead and get into this trade right here. I have it set at 20. Let's get the right chart. There it is. Oh, it's at 20.11. So this one may go. I'm in at. I'm in at 20.16. It's our 200.16, and that is a 1.2 lot trade. This one, 20.19. Again, I can't get exact with them sometimes, so I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible. So, so we have that going on. 0.8. Let's go ahead and see my position size on this. 15,000. British pound dollar. And because I did not set my position size yesterday, as you may have noticed on my thing. So 0.4 is where I would want to do that. I'm going to have to hold on for just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. So let's see what we're going to do now. We're going to go ahead and do this. This is my $25,000 trading platform. So this one is right here. We want to come in at, I think 93 might be a good spot. I hate being that close. I don't like doing that. I want to get over 106.5. 136.5 I think is where we want to be. 5 stop. 0.4. Not really, right? This calculator. B 75 pip stop loss. 2,000, 2%, 0.4. Yep, that looks right. So we're going to send it and then put in our stop losses right here. Stop loss, oops. Not the whole trade, just that one. 75 pip stop loss will be around 30. And take profit 137. Oops. 37. I'm going to go 1-to-1 on that. Yeah, 1-to-1. Okay. It's 137. Okay, so we're going to come back over here and do the position size calculator again. 5, 1, 2, 3. Calculate 0.6 on that one. And on my 8, 1, 2, 3. 1.2. Okay, so this one is, I've got that one set up already. Buy. Now it could be that I'm taking a bait right now too. So that's could be something to consider. But with these stops, where's my chart? Oh, memory. These things suck up memory, don't they? Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 5. Buy stop. This one is 0.6. Whoops. Nope. 6. There we go. Send order. And then we'll add stop loss. Nope. Do it again. 75 down. It will be 70, but about 30. And then I like that screen better because I can go 1.375. Not that. 375. Better in place. Okay, so we've got a couple orders, and now if these two orders go through and get full profit on that, then I will win both challenges, and that would be super exciting. Let's go ahead and get over to this platform real quick, and I gotta go shortly. It's been getting way too late. Let's go ahead and get in here. Trade. Now this one may take up more memory anyway. 24. Nope. Pending order. Buy stop. 6. 75 down. Volume is 1.2. Stop loss is, I did that wrong, but I don't have time to recalculate it, so we're just going to run with it. 75 down. From price, 200.16. Oh, we better get it in too. 199.6. Profit of 201. Point. And I already missed the trade. How about that? Okay, that one's in there. Okay, we'll set those on my live ones. I don't set up on the other screen. Do that real quick over here, and My live accounts go right here. We're going to go right here for, nope. I didn't change. I didn't put the order in either. Okay, it's 1.2. Execution, order. Price 1.3593. Stop loss 1.52. Take profit 1.36. 5. Place. Oh, it's my stop, not my limit. What's going on here? My stop. Point 36. Stop loss. Nope. 5.2 and 1.36. 5. Modify, and then we're going to get in here and put the other trades in for the. And you can't see what I'm doing on purpose because it's my live account. This is what has substantially less money in it, and that is not a 1.2. That's that one. Mark execution, put it order by stop. Price 1.3593. Modify. Stop loss 1.35.2 and 1.365. And one more account over here. I'm probably maxing out memory now. Let's see what the video looks like. Oh, the video is fine. I'm setting these up in execution for order by stop because 1.3593 loss 1.35 2 0.365 7 should be 7.5. Shit. Well, let's just see what happens if those. Yeah, 7.5, not 6.5. Back over here and change these. Modify. Which would be phenomenal if I hit 7.5. With the current everybody hating on Donald Trump and what he's doing, you might get it. Because what I believe doesn't matter, but what the market believes is everything. So there we go. We are modified. We are in on all. So that's going to do it. I got to go. I am super late now. So you guys have a great one. I did get a couple trades in, and we'll go from there. So we'll talk to you later. We'll see how this goes tomorrow, and talk to you later. Bye.